Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can schedule messages on Instagram. So, if you want to schedule messages on Instagram like a pro, through this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set up scheduled messages in Instagram chat to save your time and keep your conversations organized. So if it's whether it's for your business reminders or personal use, you can use this feature as a game changer. So first, before I start, I need to remind you that you need to update your Instagram to the latest version so that you can use this feature where you can schedule message on Instagram chat. So let's just start. First, you can just open your Instagram applications on your device. And then once you're already on the Instagram feed, you can just click on the messenger icon at the top right corner here. When you do that, you'll see the list of messages or chats on your Instagram, and you can just click on one of them. So click on the person that you want to send message with, for example here. And then once you've already on the chat message or the chat page, you can just click on the message box at the bottom and then write your message. For example, I'm going to just write hey, and in here to schedule it, you can just long press on the send button. This one's right here, long press on it, and then you'll see the schedule message menu pop up. So you can just choose the date and time to send the message. So the time zone is based on your device settings. So in here, for example, I'm going to send it tomorrow. So you can just choose the date and time just like this, and then after that you can just click on this send tomorrow or send. Okay, you can see at the very bottom there will be this one schedule message. If you want to edit or see the message again, you can just click on it just like this, and if you want to delete it, you can just long press on it and then tap on delete in here. Now the schedule message has been deleted. So that's how you can schedule messages on Instagram. And that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. So don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon if you found this helpful. And you can drop your question or tips in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe and click on the thanks for more Instagram trick and social media tutorials. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye!